Hello everyone, welcome back to Google Sheet Pro. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a simple drop-down list in Google Sheets. Drop-down lists are great for organizing data and making your spreadsheets more user-friendly. Let's get started. Imagine you have a list of options you want to choose from in a cell. Instead of typing them out each time, you can create a drop-down list for easy selection. First, select the cell or cells where you want the drop-down list to appear. Next, go to the top menu, click on Data, and then select Data Validation. This is where we will set up our drop-down list. In the Data Validation window, you will see an option labeled Criteria. Here you can choose the type of data you want. To create a drop-down list, select List of items. Now type in the items you want in your list, separated by commas. For example, I will type option 1, pending, option 2, done. Once you have entered your options, make sure the Show drop-down list in cell box is checked. This ensures the list appears when you click on the cell. Now, click Save to apply the drop-down list to your selected cells. So, as you can see, the drop-down list is now available in the cell. Just click the arrow and you can see select any of options you entered. If you ever need to edit your drop-down list, just click Just go to the data validation and make your changes. You can add more options, remove some, or even change the criteria. And that's it. And you know, you know now how to create simple drop-down list in Google Sheets. This little feature can really help streamline your data entry and make your sheets more attractive. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Google Sheet tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.